In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels to pages in Confluence. Labels are a simple but powerful way to organize your content so you and your team can find related pages quickly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to use labels to surface the information you need. Start by opening your Confluence workspace and navigating to the specific page where you want to add a label. Make sure you're on the correct page in the right space so your labels align with your team's organization. This helps keep everything consistent and easy to discover later. Once you're on the page, look toward the bottom. You'll see a labels area with a small tag icon. Click that to open the label field. If you don't see the tag icon at the bottom, you can also use the menu in the top right corner. Click the three dots and choose Add Labels. Both paths lead to the same place, so use whichever is visible in your layout. By the way, if you're just getting started with Confluence or want to sign in on a new device, you'll find a link to the website at the top of the description so you can jump right in. Now add your label. Type a short, clear name, something like Project X, Meeting Notes, or Documentation, and press Enter to apply it. Keep labels simple, consistent, and typically lowercase, using hyphens instead of spaces. This makes them easier to search for and avoids accidental duplicates. If you need more than one, just type your next label and press Enter again. You can add as many as your workflow requires to group pages by project, status, team, or content type. If you were editing the page content while adding labels, remember to click Publish to save your changes. If you added labels from view mode, they save automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. A quick glance at the bottom of the page will confirm the labels are attached. To use labels for navigation, click any label at the bottom of a page. Confluence will instantly display all other pages that share the same label, giving you a filtered view of related content across your workspace. You can also search directly by typing label with your label in the search bar to jump straight to matching pages. It's a fast way to surface meeting notes, documentation sets, or project hubs without digging through spaces. And that's how easy it is to add labels in Confluence. Labels make organizing and finding content much faster, especially in large workspaces. Thanks for watching.